Upcoming mobiles phones in August 2023 are Samsung Galaxy M54 5G top features. It has 6.7-inch screen with full HD display and 120 Hz refresh rate. It has 108 megapixel OIS camera. It has 6000 mAh battery with octa-core X5G. It will be based on Android 13. iQOO Neo 8 Pro 5G. Top features. It has 6.78-inch screen with full HD display and 144 Hz refresh rate. It has 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel rear cameras. It has 5000 mAh battery with octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus. It will be based on Android 13. Poco F5 Pro 5G. It has 6.67-inch screen with full HD display and 120 Hz refresh rate. It has 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras. It has 5160 mAh battery with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. It will be based on Android 13.